Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi with kombu. First, let's understand what kombu dashi is. It's a foundational Japanese broth, celebrated for its pure umami flavor. Made from dried kelp, it forms the base for countless traditional dishes. The beauty of kombu dashi lies in its simplicity, requiring just two key ingredients: high-quality kombu and fresh water. This gentle extraction process yields a clear, flavorful liquid. Proper preparation of your kombu is crucial for the best dashi. Begin by gently wiping the surface of the dried kombu with a slightly damp cloth. This removes any dust or impurities without stripping away the essential umami-rich white powder. It's important not to wash the kombu under running water. For optimal flavor extraction, you can also make a few small slits or cuts into the kombu pieces. Now, let's move to the soaking and heating process. Place your prepared kombu in a pot with cold water. Allow it to soak for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for a deeper flavor. Then, gently heat the pot over low to medium-low heat. The goal is to slowly bring the water to a simmer. Crucially, remove the kombu just before the water comes to a full boil to prevent any bitterness. Once the kombu is removed, your dashi is ready. Carefully strain the liquid to ensure a clear broth, discarding the used kombu. You can now use this fresh, flavorful dashi as the base for miso soup, noodle dishes, or various stews. For best results, use your dashi immediately. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.